Welcome to this move-in ready 3-bedroom 2-bath home located in the welcoming Charlestown community. Find harmony in this 1,610 square foot home, which features a split floor plan, fireplace and eat-in kitchen. It also has a large fenced-in yard that is perfect for summer barbecues with family and friends. The neighborhood has sidewalks, which are perfect for taking a morning or evening stroll, and is also within walking distance to shopping and restaurants. Schedule your showing today.